So this statue is Schweissdissi, is about sweating. You earn your bread by your sweat, the sweat of your brow. This is from the Bible, and so this is a homage to workers, the proletariat. It was created in 1906, and was here as a homage to the working people. Then it was taken off during the Second World War and re-erected after. So Schweissdissi is the statue that inspired the other one, the modern one. I have the video by Yves Cléry. He took the idea from this so this is the square where it is and this is Mulhouse, and I love the way they've done also the what do you call it, decorations for Christmas, which is the polar bear. You see, the polar bear and family. You know, there's a little cup over there. Over here. So, you know, remembering the polar bears, remembering the environment, and this is me.